Elon Musk has ignited a fresh internet frenzy after reposting a bizarre AI-generated video that portrays him as Austin Powers and repeatedly claims he has bought the United Kingdom. The clip shows Musk in a blue-striped suit dancing with Optimus robots, running through British-looking streets with women chasing him, and climbing into a Tesla decorated with a giant Union Jack. On-screen text pushes the joke even further, calling Musk the man who bought the UK, before another caption bluntly declares it's mine now. Musk shared the video on X without adding any explanation, instantly boosting its reach among millions of followers. The video appears to be an AI parody inspired by the Austin Powers films, with exaggerated 1960s-style costumes, spy movie poses, and over-the-top comedy references throughout the clip. The repost immediately triggered a new wave of online reactions. Users began creating mock newspaper front pages, fake government statements, and imaginary royal announcements about Prime Minister Elon. AI-generated images quickly flooded social media, showing Musk outside Buckingham Palace, waving from Downing Street, and appearing on British currency notes and passports. The meme wave gained even more momentum because of an earlier viral exchange in which Musk responded, "How much is it?" to a satirical post claiming he had purchased the UK to establish free speech. Many users linked the new video directly to that joke. Longtime followers also noticed the similarity to Musk's famous 2017 response when someone suggested he buy Twitter. He replied with the same phrase, "How much is it?" before eventually purchasing the platform in 2022, making the UK joke feel strangely familiar. Fans have since produced AI newsreels, parody parliamentary debates, and edited clips of Musk arriving in London as if he were taking control of the country. "Do it, Elon" became one of the most repeated phrases in comment sections. The parody video itself includes another detail that caught viewers' attention. Near the end, Musk says, "Autonomous baby, yeah," prompting some users to speculate about Tesla and autonomous technology, although no new project has been announced. The timing is also notable because Mike Myers has confirmed that a fourth Austin Powers film is in development. Myers has previously impersonated Musk in comedy sketches, adding another layer to the bizarre crossover. There's no evidence that Elon Musk is seriously considering buying the United Kingdom, but by reposting an AI video declaring it's mine now, the billionaire has transformed an old internet joke into one of the week's biggest meme explosions, proving once again that a single Musk post can dominate the online conversation for days.